When planning a group trip to Fiji, the first crucial decision is selecting the right islands to visit.
With over 300 islands, each offers a distinct vibe. For those craving nightlife and resorts, Fiji is your go-to, while the Yasawa Islands promise green beaches, and the Kadavu Island offers an untapped paradise.
It's all about matching the island to your group's preferences for the ultimate Fijian experience. Fiji's heart lies in its culture, and respecting it is key. Learn a few Fijian phrases, partake in a kava ceremony, and engage in local activities. Remember, when offered kava, clap once, say bula, and drink in one gulp. This gesture of respect will enrich your interactions and provide a deeper connection with the Fijian way of life. Dress modestly and always remove your shoes before entering a home to honor local customs. Adventure abounds in Fiji, from snorkeling among coral reefs to hiking through rainforests. Ensure your group is ready for the physical demands and has the right gear. Bring your own snorkeling or diving equipment for comfort, wear sturdy shoes for hiking, and dress appropriately for ziplining. Whether you're exploring the underwater marvels or soaring through the treetops, being prepared will elevate your Fijian adventure. Finally, consider connectivity. Remote islands might lack internet access, so set expectations and plan ahead. Secure SIM cards or Wi-Fi devices to stay in touch and navigate the islands. This foresight ensures you can share your experiences and stay connected, even in paradise. In summary, a group trip to Fiji is a journey of discovery and connection. By choosing your islands wisely, respecting the local culture, preparing for adventure, and planning for connectivity, you'll create a seamless and enriching experience. Ready to dive into the beauty of Fiji? Contact Far and Away Adventures for expert planning and embark on a trip that caters to your group's every desire. Discover Fiji's enchanting islands, warm-hearted locals, and exhilarating escapades with confidence and joy. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.